On a warm Tuesday evening, the sun dipped low over Kingston, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. Samuel and Audrey, a beloved Jamaican couple, had just finished a hearty dinner of chicken back and rice, the flavors of thyme and scallion still wafting through their cozy home. With satisfied smiles, they decided a stroll in the nearby Hope Gardens Park would be the perfect way to end their day. Hand in hand, they wandered past the lush greenery, vibrant flower beds, and the soothing sounds of birds chirping. Samuel, with his easygoing charm, recounted stories from his youth, while Audrey laughed, her eyes sparkling with affection. "Remember the time you tried to impress me with your cooking?" she teased. Samuel chuckled, recalling the burnt rice that almost ruined their first dinner together. As they reached the serene pond, the sun set behind the trees, casting a golden glow on the water. A family of ducks swam by, quacking happily. In that moment, under the sprawling palms and fading light, Samuel turned to Audrey. "You know, life with you is like this park, beautiful, full of surprises, and always a breath of fresh air." Audrey blushed, her heart swelling with joy. "And with you, every day feels like a celebration." With laughter and love echoing through the gardens, the couple continued their stroll, cherishing the simple pleasures of life together under the enchanting Jamaican sky.